we present BANMo, building animatable 3D neural models for many casual videos. Given many casual videos of a cat, we want to reconstruct an animatable 3D model, including a canonical 3D shape and scaling weights, represented by a set of control points. For each video, we reconstruct time-varying articulations. The articulated shapes are registered to a canonical space, and their correspondences are shown as the same colors. Our method successfully reconstructs videos of different object categories. We show representative results on a cat, a dog, penguins, and human. Given the reconstructed model, we can render from different viewpoints at a specific time or render the motion from a novel viewpoint. There are prior works in reconstruction of deformable 3D shapes from imagery. To achieve high quality, they either leverage multiple synchronized cameras or category-specific body models learned from 3D data. Recently, there are works that apply differentiable rendering to reconstruct deformable shapes. Different from prior works, our input data is captured in a casual scenario with different time, viewpoints, and lightings. We deal with objects that move freely and have large pose variations. Lastly, our method is template-free and applies to both humans and animals. Given the image observations, including pixel colors, optical flow, segmentations, and appearance features, we apply differentiable rendering to solve for a canonical 3D shape, time-varying deformations, and camera poses. Here, the key challenge is to find the precise warpings between the image space and the canonical 3D space. Our solution leverages several new concepts. Firstly, we use implicit representations that is amenable to gradient-based optimization. To handle large deformations of the object, we design an articulated bones model. To register pixels over time, we take advantage of pre-trained dense pose features and optical flow. Similar to NeRF, we use coordinate MLPs to represent view-dependent color and density of the object in a canonical space. Additionally, we optimize a canonical embedding that represents the view-independent features, such as semantics, which is crucial for finding correspondences over large deformations and viewpoint changes. To render color and object silhouette, we sample points along the ray in the deformed space, and pull back the ray points to the canonical space with 3D warping field. The density and colors are curated in the canonical space and integrated with volume rendering equations. Besides silhouette and colors, we also render flow and appearance features. The rendered images are compared against the observed ones. To compute the warping fields between the deformed space and the canonical space, we design an articulated bones model. We define bones as 3D Gaussians that translate and rotate between the two spaces. Given the position of the bones at time t, the motion of a 3D point can be computed by blending the bone transformations with scaling weights. To register pixels over nearby frames, we render the 2D motion in between, and compare with the flow estimation from an off-the-shelf model. To register pixels from faraway frames, we extract pixel features with an off-the-shelf dense pose model, and match them to the canonical embeddings. Here we visualize matches as colored lines. The embeddings and deformations are jointly optimized using a 2D cycle loss that ensures the matches can be mapped back to their pixel locations. We present more results and comparisons. We first compare with NeRFs on our cat video dataset. When the cat moves, NeRFs fail to register the large motions. With the help of articulated bones model, our method faithfully reconstructs the large deformations of the cat head and limbs. We then compare with Visor. Visor uses a mesh-based representation and struggles to reconstruct fine structures. BANMo, in contrast, is able to reconstruct the detailed geometry of cat face, benefiting from the neural implicit representation. Compared with NeRFs and Visor on AMA dataset, BANMo is able to leverage multiple videos and reconstruct better geometry and articulations. Finally, we show results of motion retargeting from a British short-haired cat model to the driving video of a Sphinx cat. BANMo first reconstructs the driving video with the source model. By swapping the appearance, BANMo retargets the poses and renders realistic images from different viewpoints. We show more motion retargeting results to other cat breeds. Thanks for watching. Please check our poster at 30B.